Hello, I'm Peter Jones. I'm garden manager here at RHS Wisley, and we're down in the grass garden, and I wanted to show you some Nerine cultivars. Now, the Nerines are a perfect plant for bringing a hit of extra colour as we go into the autumn months. Nerines can be some wonderful ranges of colours, varying from white right the way up to really deep fuchsia pink. And they're an excellent plant and really rather easy to grow. The key thing to remember with them is they require a slight bit of shelter. So they're almost hardy, but they really like somewhere as in the shelter of a large tree, as we have here, or perhaps near a large wall where they can get the heat of the day, which is stored in the brickwork. The cardinal thing that you need to remember when you're planting Nerines is not to plant them too deep. You leave the neck of the bulb slightly proud. But other than that, they're pretty easy to grow. They like a nice free draining soil that doesn't sit wet for too long, so that they don't sit and rot. What you'll find now is that they are all pushing their flower up, and once the flowers are over and done with, they will die down and they will start to produce their foliage in the summer. So you'll see this lovely green strappy foliage, and then that starts to die down again around late summer, towards the end of July, and then you'll see buds starting to push up around about August time, and you'll have a nice show of flowers to take you right up to the autumn colour. Here at Wisley, we use Nerines in a couple of ways. We have them planted out in the open where they have a little bit of shelter, so we have them here in our grass garden. They complement a lot of the other planting as the flowers just start to poke up above things like grasses or herbaceous and float above the surface. The other place we've used them is where we've planted them en masse along brick walls. So during the day, the heat is stored in the brick wall, and then that is released just to give them a little bit of protection over the night when the temperatures start to drop. Generally, even the straight species, the Bodenii, is a really wonderful plant and is a wonderful vibrant pink, but there are lots of different cultivars out there that can give you a wide variety of colours. At this time of year, in the autumn, you can buy them in plant centres in flower, and they'll normally come as potted bulbs. The other option is to buy these bulbs in early summer when they're dormant, and they will come into growth, ready to produce you a wonderful show as you go into the autumn months.